Oh, how's it going, everyone? So we are finishing up a Layens hive, and I'm just showing you how we are going to insulate this. So this is going to be an insulated Layens hive. What we're doing is we're putting cedar on the inside, and it's rough cut on both sides, and that way the bees are going to propolis the inside up. They like it rough. They'll put propolis all over this. This would be good. And then we're using pine on the outside. And what we're using to insulate, you know, a lot of people use foam boards and stuff. This is wool. It's a great insulator. It is not washed or bleached. It is sheared straight from the sheep. But we load it up. A natural product. Wool also helps with moisture, so that'll be good too. But it will definitely be better than, you know, no insulation. So it's really thick in there. Get it as thick as we can. These aren't very hard to build. There is a pretty easy hive to build. Horizontal hives, they have plans on it that you can get dimensions. We followed them a little bit, but we didn't do it exact as his. We kind of made it shorter. His leaves Dr. Leo leaves a gap in there. It's a pretty good gap. We took that little gap out. I wanted it pretty much all the way sealed up when we put the frames in here. So now what we do is we'll put glue. We're using Type-On 3. And then what we do is we don't use staples. I don't use staples even on my regular Langstroth boxes and stuff. We screw. We put our board on. And what I'm using, this board is a shiplap, a siding. So we're going to see how this does for us. And then we're going to put a solid bottom, and then I'll make a top, and we're going to do a pitch top. I think that'll look nice. We're going to do the top and the bottom insulated as well. So now we just screw in here. Side done, we got the two ends done. Flip it over. So this is a Layens frame. If you've never seen one, they've got them wired up. This slides in there. Our top will come in on top of it for the lid. Then we'll put the bottom on. And looking forward to these hives. So this will be our front, and what we'll do is I'll put a piece of wood right here. We won't insulate it. That will be flush with this, and we'll drill entrance holes. Dr. Leo uses 3 entrance holes. I don't know if we'll do 3 or 2. I thought about putting them on the ends. So we're going to play around with some stuff, but we'll insulate this one up as well, and then give our entrance holes in here. We are burning the midnight oil. It's getting late, but there you go. So as you can see down there, there's quite a bit of bee space. That would just cause a lot of problem. So we will come in here right under here, just enough for bee space, and recess the floor, and then we'll have all that for insulation. So that should give out really good insulation there. So it'll be filled up. It will hold 20 Layens frames, and we're going to be playing around with different sizes and stuff. So all right, well, we will catch you on the next one. You guys have a good one. See ya.